And this is our final look. Let's do the espresso makeup trend. Tapos na ako mag-skin prep. So next is the primer from Pukalor. This is their blur primer. Kapag po nito. Lagyan lang tayo itong Vaseline Lip Care. Maganda mga ipag-apply natin yung lipstick. Next is the foundation. So I'm using is Pukalor Stay Matte Foundation in the shade 06. Yan, so dump sponge yung ginamit yung ganito guys. Kung wala kayong setting spray, lagyan naman siya ng water. And for the eyebrow, I'm using the Day Free Mascara Eyebrow Gel in the shades Ash Brown. Next is concealer. So this is from Pukalor, the 2-in-1 concealer in the shades 04. Try natin itong brush din sa Pukalor dito kasi sa kanyang concealer. Parang soft naman siya. Gamit lang tayo ng sponge kasi parang mas smooth yung dating niya guys. Next is contour. So I'm using the Shea Glam Liquid Contour in the shades Warm Honey. And concealer dito sa baba. So this is from Dazzle Me. Next is the liquid blush on. I'm using the Pukalor liquid blush on in the shades 03 Bordeaux. Next is loose powder. So I'm using the Perfect Sensitive loose powder, translucent loose powder. I-hit tayo ng ating makeup. So na tayo ng ating eyeshadow. So I'm using a pink blush palette. Here's ating, since espresso makeup ito guys, so ayan yung ating eyeshadow dark. So meron tayo na shimmer. Gamit ito lang sa bandang inner part ng ating eyes. Ano siya guys? Ayan, so ayusin ko lang. So here's our eye look guys. And here's tapos yung eye dyan. Ayusin natin yung ating powder. For the powder contour, this is from Pink Flash also in their face palette. And now is for my nose. And for my powder blush, I'm using the YOU Blooming Single Brush in the shade Dusty Rose. Ayan. Yeah, later. Don't eat too much junk foods or curls because it's bad for a baby.
No, I'm drunk.
And for my under eye, I almost forgot. Itong mid-lap lang nilagay natin guys. Yeah. Next is the eyeliner. So I'm using the O2O eyeliner. Next is the highlight. Lagyan din natin dito sa ating tikman natin yung then Contrast powder. Tanggalin lang natin ang ating nilagay kami sa today. Next is for my lips. Kasi sila pa yung brown lip line na ito. Next is lipstick. So this is from Avon, the nude lipstick in the shades Divine Flame. Second spray. So this is one I do. And our eyelashes. And natin. Ano po na mascara? This is from Flormar. Guys, tapos na yung ating look and nalagay lang ako ng lashes. I'm done. And this is the final look. Ayusin ko ng aking hair. And I'm so excited kasi mabilis ko lang naayos yung aking eyelashes. Ang ganda. Pakakay ko ng kamarin guys. Ayan. So this is my makeup. The espresso. So hope you like it.